The trigger paddle presses against the switch actuator to turn your tool on. The plastic paddle is the part of the trigger you grip and press on. The paddle can be accidentally damaged if the tool is dropped or if something falls on it. Replacing the trigger paddle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard and the side handle. Now remove the rear housing. With the housing removed, now I can remove the trigger paddle. Pull it away from the housing. There's a spring on the underside of the switch lever. I want to be careful I don't lose that spring. Now I can install the new trigger paddle. I'll tuck the front edge of the paddle into the housing and then align the pin on the back with the hole in the housing. Just like that. Now reinstall the top piece of the rear housing and secure the housing with the screws. I'll finish up by reinstalling the guard, the flange nuts, and the side handle. And that's how easy it is to install a new trigger paddle on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.